Time to wipe that pixie dust out of your eyes. Watch this video. This is a vintage Homelite, super easy, automatic. Use the link below to buy this saw right now at a ridiculously low price. We'll have this on your doorstep faster than you can say.
Vintage chainsaw.
Vintage?
Vintage.
Vintage chainsaw. Chainsaw?
Vintage chainsaw.
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw.
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 Vintage?
Chainsaw.
Ah, vintage chainsaw. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and you'll see us on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most. Woo!